Imagine piecing together your e-commerce infrastructure with the best components tailored for what you're specifically needing.
They brought to the table a more all-inclusive kind of approach, and they bring that user experience and that user journey.
Just starting there, doing basic things. Echidna has a full UX team, and all we've really required is their study of our other existing applications and the way that we display ourselves to users, and been able to apply and adapt best practices that they have, that Echidna understands from the e-commerce environment that we are a part of.
So they understand the complexities, and they can use those other experiences to make recommendations that maybe we hadn't even considered before.
We're understanding the data of what people have done in the past. We're looking at that behavior, and we're really trying to do a holistic assessment on what we can do for those customers. Good design is really about deconstructing the experience as much as we can and making things very simple, readable, navigable, etc.
Having a conversation with Echidna can really help open your eyes to what the capabilities of modern commerce are and how quickly you can really begin to transform an organization.